Rotendo Matinyarare, widely seen for social media, is a main critic of the ruling party's ZANU-PF cement agenda Vision 2030. Panguva inoye ari kuonekwa kuti Rotendo Matinyarare ma-attacks ake panguva inoye they are growing, and each and every day anenge achiuya ne-annual vision. Recently, he is the first person akatanga kuuya pasocial media achitaura chiti mutungamiri wenyika has asked ma-service chiefs pamwe chete ma-retired generals kuti vaiva vaisangana nemutungamiri wenyika for the third time this month that was subscribe like on the bell icon. Uzara nasi tikuona kuti Matinyarare ari kudanyora achiti President Emerson Mnangagwa is the past and 2030 will not happen. Panguva ini aposta mapictures ekubrike farm seamuri kuona okudanyora achiti. Last week I spoke about how the president is in cognitive decline and hence they don't allow him to speak in public often. Now, as I also said last week, soon it will become clear that he is no longer in the mental state to continue as president. He will automatically be replaced by Chiwenga. I will reiterate again, President Mnangagwa is the past, 2030 will not happen. Izvi zvaita kuti Matinyarare anyore this post is because of a post yakaitwa namajarajaros yekubrike farm apo inoshowa mutungamiri wenyika that picture seramuri kuona raakanyora majarajaros anyora achiti I am told there was a drama at Brike Farm when Idi Mnangagwa left guests to discuss on their own. As he walked away and attempted to climb on the back of a Toyota truck, witnesses say he appeared disoriented, confirming that reports that cognitive impairment is taking its role on him. Toma developments are kuda panguva ino aitwa Matinyarare oyachiti last week akambozvitaura and over the weekend majarajaros is proved it. Mashoko ataugwa na Matinyarare imboti semafungura imboti kudi pamusoro pe these developments which come the ruling party ZANU-PF ahead of the constitutional amendments. Nakumesi kishemedu zafungura imboti kudi pamusoro pe chitwechi. So subscribe or like chito the bell icon.